From here to there, mastering the preposition from. Hello everyone and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to delve into the world of prepositions, specifically focusing on the preposition from. By the end of this video, you should have a solid understanding of how to use from when indicating direction. Let's get started. The preposition from is commonly used in English to express the starting point or origin of a movement or action. It helps in demonstrating where something begins in terms of direction, place, or time. For example, I am from New York. I drove from home to work. In these sentences, from indicates the starting point of where a person is or a journey begins. When it comes to direction, from is a fantastic tool. It allows us to express a sense of moving away or a point of departure. Let's consider a few examples. The cat ran from the dog. I received a letter from John. In these cases, from is showing the direction in which something or someone is moving away. Whether it's the cat running away from the dog or the letter being sent from John to you, from is conveying a sense of leaving or departure. It's important to understand how from differs from other prepositions of direction like to and toward. While from indicates a starting point or origin, to and toward point towards the destination or direction of movement. For example, I walked from the library to the cafe. In this sentence, from indicates where the walk began, while to shows where the walk ended. Prepositions are small but mighty tools in the English language, and from is no exception. Remember, from helps us express a starting point or origin, whether it's in direction, place, or time. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to use from when indicating direction. Keep practicing, and you'll master the use of this preposition in no time.